Hi guys, welcome to our new video. Today we're gonna be demonstrating how to get this base color, silver blue. We begin the color on the roots mixing Fibreplex with platinum at 25 volt. Once the front is done, continue the application at the back. For mid-length and length, we mix Fibreplex with platinum at 30 volt. At the back, for mid-length and length, we leave the oxygen level up to 35 volt. Okay, here we have the color after one application of bleach. So what we've done, just to recap, 25 on the roots and then on the ends we went 30 at the front, and when we went to do the back, we did 35. So keep it for 40 minutes so you get this lovely balanced color. Same tonality, roots to the ends. But this is actually not enough for what we want to achieve. We want a much lighter base. So what we're going to be doing now, we're going to be doing the same, but we're going to lower down our ball. So we're going to go 20 on the roots, 25. For the second application, we are lowering down the volume of the oxygen, so we are mixing Fibreplex with platinum at 20 volt. For mid-length and ends, we are mixing Fibreplex with platinum at 25 volt. make the color even with the front slightly lift the oxygen level. This is a good level for us to apply now the toner. The toner is gonna be CB14 Schwarzkopf with a mixture of A12 Schwarzkopf and TPA. I'll write down for you the formula. Okay guys, this is the final look. This is after we rinse the toner off. We blow dry, straighten it, so you can see how the color looks. This silvery bluey effect.